How to hide a specific story from someone on Instagram. If you want to hide your Instagram story from a specific person, then simply follow these simple steps. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once there, all you have to do is tap on the story, like create a story as usual. Tap on the Your Story option available at the top left corner or simply swipe to the right side and navigate to the Your Story section. And now, once you're inside the Your Story, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the settings icon, you will get to see the options available on your screen. You can see Stories, Reel, Post option available. Tap on the story. And once you tap on the story, you will be navigated to the section where you can search and hide the person you want to hide your story from. Now, this is my anonymous account, so I cannot find anyone as because there is no followers available on my account. But if you have any, then you will get to see options available right after you write down the username. Simply tap on it and tap on done option available at the top right corner. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.